You are your true nature. A tree with no leaves is still a tree. A rose bush out of bloom is still a rose bush. And a bird that cannot fly is still a bird. When you don't feel like yourself, when you're going through times of change and loss, remember there is nothing incomplete or inadequate about your being. Nothing can separate you from your true nature. You are what you are. As they say, the oak tree is in the acorn. You are all of the future selves that you can be. All the infinite potentialities that could ever be. There's nothing you cannot be, do, or have. All of it is happening already in and within you. All you gotta do is take the time to harmonize with it. Have faith in it. And always remember, nothing ever lasts forever. No storm lasts forever. Everything is just a phase. We're just always in transition. From this to that. From this moment to the next. From this breath to the next breath. And always keep this centeredness in your spine, in your heart, in your hara, the navel. Always stay centered through the breath. Know that all is well. Nothing can separate you from your true self, your higher self. You are eternal, immortal, universal, and infinite. There's a higher order going on unfailingly. And in our daily lives, our conscious mind can see only very little of what really is going on. Maybe cultivate that willingness to open beyond the conscious mind and dive into the subconscious, into the universal unconscious. Tap into that universal mind through meditation. Just take the time, each and every hour, be still. And formulate your own technique, maybe through silence, through walking, through prayer. Take the time, even for 30 seconds, to introspect and assess that divinity in you. That you are all that. You are all beings. You are all the galaxies. And that is what is true about you. So stay safe on your journey. All is well. Namaste.